Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install CapCut on your Mac, step by step. CapCut is a free and powerful video editing app used by millions of creators. It's perfect for editing TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and even full-length YouTube videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to CapCut.com. I'll also leave the direct link in the description below. Once the website loads, click the download button in the top right corner of the page. CapCut will automatically detect your Mac and download the correct version. The download should begin right away. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the CapCut downloader file. A new window will appear. Inside that window, double-click the CapCut icon, then click Open if macOS asks for confirmation. The downloader will now automatically install CapCut on your Mac. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, close the downloader window and move the downloader file to the trash. CapCut may launch automatically. If it doesn't, open the Applications folder and double-click CapCut to start it manually. If you see a macOS security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. The first time CapCut opens, it may request permissions such as file access, microphone or camera access. Be sure to allow these permissions so all editing features work correctly. After that, you'll be asked to sign in. You can log in with your TikTok account, Google account, email, or skip this step and start editing right away. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed CapCut on your Mac. You're now ready to edit videos, add effects, transitions, text, music, and export high-quality content for social media. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.